Hi guys, welcome to Naturally Green. Today's video is on the bone meal powder. As you can see here, this is a tomato plant that I planted nearly 3 months ago. There's only flowering but no fruiting. Let's see what bone meal can do. Bone meal has a premier source of phosphorus, calcium and nitrogen. It has a slow release formula ensuring the plant gets continuous supply of its nutrients. Application is simple. Make a small hole near the plant and sprinkle the powder. It has a pH balancer which ensures a balanced pH of the soil and not acidic nor basic. Let's add another pinch and now cover the sprinkled area. These are the results after 25 to 30 days. Look at the number of fruiting. Thank you. If you like the video, subscribe and share it with your friends. Please do comment down below your opinions.